And now for my next number, I'd like to return to the classics.
This time when I feel myself up in her, even though I don't want to, and one side of me says kill her, but that just won't do.